Today we will learn some important short example of index number. If sigma p1 q0 is to sigma p0 q0 is equal to 5 is to 3 and sigma p1 q1 is to sigma p0 q1 is equal to 3 is to 2. Compute the last pairs, passes and fissures index number. So firstly, we apply the formula last pair. IL is equal to sigma P1 Q0 upon P0 Q0 into 100. Here ratio is given P1 Q0 is to P0 Q0 is 5 is to 3. So 5 upon 3 into 100. So last pair's index 166.67. Passes index IP sigma P1 Q1 upon P0 Q1 into 100. Here the ratio between sigma P1 Q1 and P0 Q1 is 3 is to 2. So 3 upon 2 into 100. So IP is equal to 150. Then we have to find fissures index. IF is equal to under root IL into IP. IL 166.67 into 150. After multiplying, then making root. So the final answer of fissures index will be 158.12. So in this example, P1 Q0, P0 Q0 is given 5 is to 3. It helps to find out last pair's index. Sigma P1 Q0 upon P0 Q0 into 100. So ratio is 5 is to 3. So 5 upon 3 into 100, 166.67. Then sigma P1 Q1 into P0 Q1 is 3 is to 2. Passes index formula sigma P1 Q1 upon P0 Q1 into 100. Here the ratio 3 is to 2. So 3 upon 2 into 100, so 150. Then fissures index is equal to under root IL into IP. IL is 166.67. IP is 150. After multiplying, making root, so the final answer of fissures index 158.12. Now here, if the ratio of last pairs and passes index number is 4 is to 5 and fissures index number is 150, find the passes index number. So here ratio between last pairs and passes index is given 4 is to 5. So last pair and passes ratio. So last pair index is denoted by IL. Ratio is and passes ratio. Last pair passes ratio 4 is to 5. So is equal to 4 is to 5. So IL upon IP is equal to 4 is to 5. That is 4 upon 5. Now 4 divided by 5, so 0.8. Now here relation is multiplying. IL is equal to 0.8 IP. Now here fissures index is clearly given 150. Fissures index IF is equal to IL into IP. Fisher's index is 150. IL 0.8 IP into IP. Now here, for the removal of root, we are taking both sides square. So making both sides square. So here 150 square and 0.8 IP into IP making whole square. So 150 square has become 22,500 and root square means removal of root 0.8 IP into IP. Now relation between 0.8 IP and IP is multiplying. If I am taking 0.8 here, so multiply relation become divide. 22,500 upon 0.8 IP into IP become IP square. 22,500 upon 0.8 become 28,125 is equal to IP square. Now here we take both side root. So root of 28,125 and root of IP square. So our answer IP is equal to 167.71. So here again I repeat. If the ratio of last pair and passes index is 4:5, so IL into IP is equal to 4:5. So IL upon IP is equal to 4 upon 5. 4 divided by 5 is 0.8. IP into 0.8 becomes 0.8 IP. Then applying the formula of Fisher's index, IF is equal to under root IL into IP. IF is equal to 150. IL is equal to 0.8 IP into IP. For removal of root, we can take both sides square. 150 square and root square. 150 square 22,500 and root square. So 0.8 IP into IP. Now 0.8 is a relation with multiply and change the relation. Multiply relation become here divide. 22,500 upon 0.8. So 28,125. IP into IP become IP square. Then taking both sides root. So the final answer is 167.71. In this example, 5 food items: wheat, rice, bajri, ghee and oil is given. And some of the price of food items increased in the year 2015 compared to the base year 2010. Here, the price of wheat increased by 70% and the price of rice increased by 40% in the year 2015. With respect to the year 2010, the price of bajri decreased by 25%. The price of oil is increased by 40% and the price of ghee decreased by 5%. If the importance of oil is 3 times and rice is double that of ghee, and importance of each of wheat and bajri is double that of rice, find price index number of the group of these 5 items. So here in this example, we have 5 items: wheat, second is rice, third one is bajri, then oil and ghee. So 5 items given here. Now percentage of price relatives, it is denoted by I. And the price of wheat increased by 70%. Price of rice is increased by 40% in the year 2015. So 2015, that is our current year, with respect to the year 2010. So 2010 is our base year, and as we all know that base year index is always 100. So base year index is 100. Now in the year 2015, price of wheat increased by 70%. So 100 plus 70 become 170. The price of rice increased by 40% in the year 2015. Base index is 100 and 40% increase. So 140. The price of bajri decreased by 25% decrease. So we have to minus from 100. So base index 100 and 25% decrease, that is 75. The price of oil increased by 40%. Oil increased 40%, 100 plus 40 become 140. And the price of ghee decreased by 5%. So price of ghee decreased by 5%, 100 minus 5 become 95. Now weightage, importance. Now very important here, look. If the importance of oil is 3 times and rice is double that of ghee, so importance of oil and rice is double that of ghee. So main factors of importance of ghee. So suppose here we take importance of ghee as a 1. So here we assume, suppose importance of ghee as a 1. Again I repeat, the importance of oil is 3 times and rice is double that of ghee. Here we take importance of ghee is 1. The importance of oil is 3 times. So 3 times means 1 multiplied by 3. So 3. And the rice is double that of ghee. So importance of ghee is 1 and rice is double. So 1 double means 2. And importance of each wheat and bajri is double that of rice. So importance of wheat and bajri is double that of rice. Here the importance of rice is 2 and bajri and ghee are double. So 2 double is multiplied by 2. 2 into 2 become 4. So importance of wheat and bajri is double that of rice. So rice is 2, double means 4. Then I into W, 170 into 4, 680, 140 into 2, 280, 75 into 4 become 300, 140 into 3, 420, 95 into 1 become 95. Now total of sigma IW and sigma W. So total of sigma IW 1775. Sigma W is 14. Now here required, find the price index number of group of these 5 items. sigma IW upon sigma W. 1775 upon 14. So 126.79. So here we find the price index of group of 5 items. Again I want to repeat. In the year 2015, the price of wheat increased by 70% compared to the base year 2010. Base year index is 100 and price increases, wheat increases 70%. So 100 plus 70 become 170. Price of rice increased by 40%. 100 plus 40 become 140. Then the price of barley decreased by 25%. So 100 and decrease, so minus 25 becomes 75. The price of oil increased by 40%. 100 plus 40 become 140. The price of ghee decreased by 5%. Base year index is 100 minus 5 become 95. The importance of oil is 3 times and rice is double that of ghee. So importance here given as per gheen's importance. So here we take, suppose importance of ghee as a 1. You can take anything value, but for easier, here I am taking ghee importance as a 1 and oil importance is 3 times of ghee. So 3 times means 1 multiplied by 3, it will become 3. Rice double that of ghee. So ghee importance is 1, double means 2. Then importance of wheat and barley is double that of rice. So here importance of rice as a 2 and wheat and barley importance is double, means 2 double means 4. Then I into W, IW. Index for the food items sigma IW upon sigma W. 1775 upon 14. So 126.79. Now here we can say that increased in the prices in the year 2015. 126.79 minus 100 become 26.79 compared to the base year 2010. So in this lecture we completed short example of first chapter index number. I hope you will like our video, and if you want to do some more practice, you can subscribe our channel Yogisir Himatnagar. Thank you.